of the both family, Saint Jennifer, and all distinguished well-wishers gathered in the church this morning. Yes, you know, the Thanksgiving ceremony is always a time. As I sat there trying to collect my thoughts, I immediately looked up some of the things you said about your father. And in an interview, you said that my father didn't speak much, but when he spoke, he listened. And I believe that summed up the character of the man. See, I got to say this now. I believe that summed up the character of the man. But you also said that whatever I am today, it was because of my parents. He never trained to his parents.
At the MP, if I make, do them they sit there with me house, and him as the Prime Minister say I can open the house. He come up over guys, say I open my house. But you don't want to spend no money. He can make it look like, so the area is a labor right here, and more than Christian. Yeah. He make it look like he might come. See? And then he might come up. The school is a PNP school. When the man come.
I thought you guys see this time?
Guys in high school. The people in high school say, yo, no blood clean body can't come. Real right can't come to here. The body can't come that. No. See? But the people over there, because they're a PNP. I say I come talk to the left them. Because what you think, you know, come in at the town and come spend the money. Mind you, labor right, because labor right place. And the man of just coming in the town and the old school, you know. Andrew Holness are coming in the town, but they just coming in the town, the man them spend a bag of money, spend the money all and shop them and knows everything good. And then just go down and where you go open your house and you left. You don't want that in coming in high school. Me, you know, like a idiot. Just up in my green to blood clay. When the man come to the gate, near the VP, the VP, the PNP, the VP in a red. And I say, make him walk up this. No, I said, make him walk that. Make him walk up this so nobody must see him.
That's somebody attack the vice president,
the vice principal I say,
talk to about PJ, about Andrew?
Yeah, and security, no man must walk. I said, oh God, man, that all look too bad. They all bring on this school. You know? As I said, alright, let you go.
So it's a woman I want VP? A woman VP?
Yeah, one woman. So me just up in my green because I labor right now. So the man come through me to make sure, whoa, this will make him see me. And make him know, say, yo, labor right there. Because enough of them, everybody not ready on them. Everybody in school not ready and make him see green. So the man come through and walk down. Man turn your head over bush to blood clean.
I said, no, I said, nobody.
I see one of the youth with a big PMP in high school and youth run off the school. Man said, son, what clear? Oh, you boss thing with you? Feed people them someone. We say, he can't go by gate and then shut out all the labourers and walk the labourers and out the door. The man said, the man just went in straight and come to the gate and don't wind down and heal up in front of them. And that the PMP want to tell me, you know. And me as a man with a green man, come up front and go so. You see, anyhow I come at Christian, me as I say something to him and he can't shoot me. You know, and I'll tell him, say, you see me an earth angel. If you ever send a man, say you want to kill me, I see him there, you are going there. Me say, come at Christian, you know, and tell Mr. Harrison, I can see that the people who are Christian don't love me. But should have did it up blood clot. Mr. Harrison, you lose and see.
Wow.
But I said to him, say, yo, this a man I'm a godfather in a real life. We don't know you, I'm a labor right now. Big old blood clot there, big guy. And this a man I'm a godfather I talk about. I will love him. But the people in say I love him. A joke you make, we love him. I'm a godfather in a real life. This. I should have did it up blood clot. Yo, I must smoke him. Must smoke him now. Can I tell you the man style me and I feel shame. About 4 of them rush me there for school now. The VP come to me and say, oh, tell us where you come at here. I said, you know, where fit me, I said then the green will fit me too. You understand? I said, 4 of them attack me, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? I look at man, this man stuff. I'm a bridging way, because you see youth were a big PMP in high school. Man, so my reason all the time, I know for reason. Man said, he said, man, this is whole of man in blood clean. Only it straight, I know you know, man.
Yeah.
I love that, man. The man
So
already,
that at least a handshake. At least a handshake and say thanks for the support.
Yeah, man, the man come and say the man I take beer revenge. Man, the shot. So when they go up against man. He must think everybody
When?
Huh?
When all the shot they go against
Yeah, man, you remember when Charlie challenged him, man.
Oh, you mean to be Prime Minister?
Yeah.
Oh.
And when they go to town, they kick over the who and they get them table. Who and the shot they get them table over town.
Eh?
Yeah, them know they downtown and drink, man.
So that sound like a bad man, isn't it?
They downtown and drink, you know, bar and sit. Then I bar and drink, you know. I mean, what killers still, man. Say, I was in there, a killer, you know. Yeah, I drink, and my man reason, and I shot some labor. I say, yo, my labor, you know. And he's the farmer say, you know, all the shot, you know. Man say, blood, man, you know. You tell the man, them say they need it to do it, they do it, and the man have 1 million, sorry, man, I tell me, and I say, oh my God. Then the man place and the man I tell me sorry. I'm just afraid.
But other than that, you're not PNP, man, you're labor right.
Yeah,
man, I respect another labor right, brother.
1 million sorry, so you tell the man, say they need it for being, I tell the man, they kick over, they get them table. I tell them, say they tell them, say they need it for being, and fuck with man, them, you know. And that man I said to me, I said, oh, my God, I'm done. Everything they good because Andrew Holness, I said still, you know. That's how I'm going to say to him, man, the man, respect me more, you know. And I look on it and I say, boy, you see Andrew Holness, oh, who's so one, man. No, my man already rasta. I say, man, I did hear, man, the man, this man, this is the delegate them, man. But the delegate them don't see it. And they need to take action.
I think this is a situation our leaders want to be. Leaders want to know, say, everybody answer to them beacon card.
Yeah,
whatever you say, that they mean. So you say anybody who have for them own opinion, they might take them out and put in who are go say yes to the time you call.
But you know, I say, if you believe, say, there's a root there between my cause, you can't be with it the way you are. Because I see what you might do. You must sabotage all of the money that you support. And that gone already.
Yeah, man, but the thing is, you know, and the man they support Shaw, they not go on the PMP bandwagon. They are still a member of the Jamaica Labour Party.
He might carry revenge against some man them wicked.
But what I want to know, what I want to know, yeah, the government is for the people. And the PMP government is for the PMP and the JLP. The JLP government is for the PMP and the JLP. Because you did it for represent the people then. So you say you just represent the people them who will vote for PMP or represent the people them who just vote for Labour, right? Or you are the people's government?
Yeah, people's government. But the thing is this, you know, what I not like, I observe, you know, I'm see how I deal with this, I'm see how I deal with things. I'm say really put in really fear.
Yeah.
And go back for a similar person like really. And then the man have fear, because I listen to how she talk. First thing the man have a Rasta. All the blood clear Rasta in education. The youth them have go on support the girl them have go on. Because most of the girls nowadays, as you see them go and use it, they start relaxing. Where is that coming from? Where their own training gone?
I say, you know, say a lot of the youth when you see I get shot them out the road, they don't get good work training, you know.
Yeah, but
you see if they step out the door, it's coming like something like a brainwash going on.
Yeah, then I brainwash.
I start different.
Brainwash thing going on. I'm not telling you, it's a joke. Right, I know, I don't know about
what me I say now?
I'm all lost.
I don't see how you take somebody where just the person because in talk good and in sound good, you have to take him put him in a politics.
In a big position. You know that man say,
a person if you understand, yeah man, I know you're for the people.
Once a man come, he might put who in front of him in a position. And then you look on CFC today. See how Rory never get to run. And thief. Anyway, now I'm going to go there.
Yeah, man. Let me say, bring the thing then.
Monday, not okay.
Yeah, man.
12 on it, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Yeah.